Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to talk to you about the importance of being able to easily get up and down from the floor. As it turns out, your quality of life and the lifespan, the length of the lifespan of your life is correlated with your ability to get down and up from the floor easily. So what that means is if you can easily get up and down from the floor, you'll likely live a lot longer with a higher quality of life than if it's really a huge effort to get up and down from the floor. So I think we should practice on purpose, because if you practice getting up and down from the floor, well, then you're going to develop the ability, the strength, the mobility, the stability to easily and effortlessly get up and down from the floor. And if it is correlated with your quality of life and your lifespan, well, then that's a really good thing. And so in that practice, I like to just give yourself some rules or some guidelines. Like, let's say the rule is today we're going to practice just getting up and down from our hands and knees. So this is the position, and we want to be creative in how we can get up and down from the floor using this position. And I think this is a great position because it's a way to help restore or find your squat, and a way to help restore and find your hinge. So for example, if I'm here, I can hinge or unhinge, hinge back down, and I end up here. Or maybe I rock back and I can find my squat, and I squat and stand and squat back down. And so maybe it's a lunge I'm trying to find and restore. Maybe I learn how to lunge, I stand up. So again, though, I'm playing with the position of hands and knees to learn how to move and build option to getting up and down from my hands and knees. Now I could do sitting, you could do lying on your back or lying on your belly, but today's theme is hands and knees. And again, the wonderful thing about it is we can just find options to move. And again, the more options you have to move, to get up and down from the floor, the better off you are, and the better quality of life you can have. And so you can find your hinge, you can find your squat, you can find your lunge, you can find your roll. So there's no one way to do it, right? The rule is today I was trying it from my hands and my knees. So I know it seems silly, but if you show up often enough and you challenge your body with movement, your body will easily give you the ability to move. So if you get up and down from the floor often, it's not a scary place to be. You'll build your strength, you'll enhance the quality of your life because you're building options and just keeping the ability to live your life well. Anyway, that's my tip for today. Practice getting up and down from the floor. It will enhance the quality of your life, and it may help you live a lot longer. All right, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.